Let us understand what leadership really is. Well, internet is flooded with lot of information about what leaders should do, what they should not do, right? But here is what I think based on my understanding and experience about leadership. Well, leadership simply means having a right vision and an exceptional ability to realize that vision. It has two parts, having a right vision and an ability to realize it, right? So let us try to break it down and understand. एक एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे समझते हैं, एक एंटरप्रेन्योर है और वो बियर बार चला रहा है. क्या उसका विजन सही है? नहीं ना, right? Whereas there was a man called Mahatma Gandhi. He had a vision, right? And he worked relentlessly day in, day out and realized his vision with the help of resources which are available in the nature, right? And the fruits of his vision, which is realized now, all of us are enjoying. We have all kinds of freedom from the British rule now. Correct? So it is the example of right vision. I am not saying everybody should have vision like Mahatma Gandhi, but my emphasis is towards having a right vision, right? We should not destroy the generations as well as planet in the process of or in the name of having a vision, right? And that's the message that I wanted to give from this video, through this video, right? So it is important for any leader to have a right vision and an exceptional ability to realize it. अब इसमें दूसरे पार्ट की तरफ थोड़ा ध्यान देते हैं. होता क्या है कि विजन सबके पास है आज के डेट में, राइट? बट ओनली फ्यू पीपल हैव द गट्स, राइट, टू टेक द एक्शंस और which will lead them towards realization of that vision, right? So it is equally important to have that exceptional ability to realize that vision. Hope you have understood what I wanted to say. Now let us recap what we learned in this video. Leadership is simply having a right vision and an exceptional ability to realize that vision, right? A leader may utilize resources which are available in nature. These are prominently two kinds of resources. One is human resources, another is material resources, in the process of realizing the vision. At the same time, the leader should ensure that he is not destroying today's as well as future generation, and we are not destroying the planet in the process. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and all other social handles. Thank you.